Happy Monday, parents. Welcome to week 3 of remote learning. I just wanted to go through and show you some of the materials we're going to be using this week. Super excited because we get to dive into our curriculum. So for the Monday Zoom meeting and for all the small groups, you're going to be bringing your government at work, which is super exciting. We're also going to be diving in at 1 o'clock every day to our math curriculum. So that's super fun. As far as our individual assignments, this is going to be the Monday math practice for their morning work. Then we have a graded reading comprehension. Please do not help your child on this. If they miss all 4, that is okay. That tells me where they're at. And don't worry, if they are below grade level right now, we will get them where we can get them. And especially when we return to school, I do interventions before school, interventions after school, and we get your child reading. So don't worry. Right here we have a spelling packet. They're going to be completing 2 pages a day at 8:30 for their morning work. And that really gets them set up for the first spelling test on Friday. On Wednesday, please try to look for the writing paper. It's just a blank sheet of paper. I'm going to be teaching them the 5 formats of a letter. So last week was postcards. This week we're learning how to write a letter. So we're going to start with this blank one. All right, then we have, these are spelling cards that they need to color and cut on Wednesday. We will be playing with these cards on Thursday during a small group. So we just find patterns, spelling patterns, we put them in alphabetical order, any rhyming words that might be in there. So this is really important to learn how to manipulate words and really get in tune with, instead of just memorizing them for the week to pass the test, we really want the spelling pattern to stick. So they need to do that. On Thursday, we're going to do a fun little writing activity. It's called Write to Wrinkles, and we're going to be filling out, again, parts of a letter. So please pull 1 of 2 of these for Thursday. On Friday, you have a printing practice sheet, super simple. And then also on Friday, your child's going to get to write Farmer Brown. So that goes with this little Click Clack Moo book where the cows demand something of Farmer Brown and they give him an ultimatum. So this is where the mask comes in. So I'm going to be making a flip grid just like your child, and you can watch my flip grid, but my little tiger is going to make a demand to Farmer Brown, and I'm going to give him an ultimatum, which is one of our vocabulary words. So, you know, if you don't give me steak for breakfast, I will not hunt on your land anymore, or something like that. So depending on your mask, your child gets to write a letter. This will be on Flipgrid. This will be graded. Super fun. Your flag, your Longhorn pendant flag, I'm going to upload a picture of my flag, and they're going to design it basically for the pickup. So it says their name in the middle, and then we'll have little cute little Longhorn things around the outside. That can be done whenever, over the weekend, you know, downtime. So don't worry about the pendant. We didn't get to it last week. And then lastly, we have our paper small book, The Shell's Sheep. I would like your child to read it to you if they can, but most importantly, I want them to be tracking the words. If your child can't read it, I want you to read it, but your child track the words. And you can always do fun things in these paper books, like, you know, highlight a noun or circle a word that you know on each page, things like that. How does it connect to the picture? So anyways, I hope that kind of explains some of the materials, and I'm looking forward to a good week. Thanks.